Continuation for that video. One thing, see this edges. This is sharp now. I want to make smooth this edges. When you press F4, you understand, right? So I'm teaching you a few new options, okay? If I selected this edge, I selected only one edge now. If I want to select this also, hold the control and select like this, right? So if I selected only one, there is an option over here called loop. If you click this one, the same loop all will select at a time. Loop option. That means I selected only this. I click on loop, it will select this all edges. Same way, if I selected only one, if I click ring, it will select vertically all the option. Depends on the situations you can use. Now I need loop like this. I don't need one by one to select it. Then I'm using a new option I'm going to teach you, which is called down. Camphor. Can you see camphor option? We're going to discuss about camphor. Click on camphor option. Then you see one edges will split to 2 now. So here I can increase it 2, 3, 4 like that. When I'm increasing, you see the borders are getting smooth. And this distance you can adjust from here. Distance. Press OK. Here also I need that. So select this one. We click on loop option. Loop options from works. You can remove this one. Loop option from the top. Selection. Loop. So this all selected. You see down we have extruded, that's why it's missing. So you need to select it manually. Because of this extrude that is missing the connection. Now down you can see edit edges. Inside we have camphor. Number of edges, how many you need, you can give it. And distance, if you want how much, you can give it. Then press OK. F4, you see the borders are smooth and reflective because our materials be given like that. Hope you can understand. See how smooth is the border. This is camphor. Next option I want to say, I want to make a keyboard. So of course, with one by one key, I'm not going to model. Now you know texture. So I switch on auto grid. On top of this, I'm making a keyboard shape. Then just I'm applying a image on it. That's all. So use material. I use same material here also everywhere. Drag and drop. Okay. Then this one, if you convert to editable poly, I will be able to select this one, polygon, and a material, assign, click on this bitmap. I already downloaded in Google, lots of images available for keyboard. Choose one, open. Click on show in view. Now you see it's visible all the image. If there is any problem, you can go to UVW map to fix it. For time being, this is okay, it's perfect. We need a cable to connect here, and we need a mouse also. Okay. First, let me create a mouse shape. Mouse also detail we can think about later, but the basic shapes I'm going to teach you. This is a box. It's a different session actually to teach, but quickly a shape only I'm going to make it now. As a beginner in the modeling, this is a little bit difficult. That's why I'm taking this one to this side. Okay, I want to see front view, left view, okay, of this one and all. Again, I want to see this all. While working, even if you want to work here, you can do it. These all objects you can rather select it, and you can do it hide selection if you want, hide selection. So this will be hidden. Whenever you want to get back, you can go to unhide all. So for time being, hide selection, I do it. So it's easy for me to keep it here only. To a mouse shape I'm making. See, I have an idea because I want to know about how many divisions you need. So when you do this kind of a model, 2-3 times if you practice, you will have an idea that how many divisions you need. As per the shape, I feel like 3 is okay here. Later, if you want, you can add it. With the segments, I feel like here 1, 2, this is enough. 3 is okay. And here I need only 1.
convert this one to editable poly. From this shapes, we're going to make to mouse shape, okay? What I'm trying, use this vertex, select this all vertex. Sorry, go to front view first, front view. Then select this all, W, and move up. Then go to top view, perspective view. The front view, I make an arc shape like this. How I have selected this whole portion. Then I move up. Then I selected this all, scale tool, this side and this side. Then selected this two, move to front. Same thing here also. We have to make smaller like this, scale tool. And of course you need to, you decide which side you want to make front. Then select to left view or front view, straight. One side, you can do this. So here I'm deciding this is my front and this is my back because this is smaller. And then you adjust this one. This is like customize the model, you know, you need to have an idea. You should be in your mind actually how the shape is coming. Now I selected manually these edges. These two edges to both sides. Scale tool, I want a little bit scale outside. So I'm facing problem in the scale, so I switch it. I have a problem. So let me do it on the top portion. See, I was having a problem to do that, so I'm selecting this top portion. Okay, except the below. Scale tool inside. So anyone is fine. Either do that one outside, otherwise do this here. Scale tool. This. Okay. Now, if I selected this, I can do loop. Okay. Then if you come down, there is an option called chamfer, right? Which we did before. So it will split to two. Distance of this one, I make it till here. Till here. Okay. Then select this one to polygon one shape only. Polygon. Then click this one. Then see there is loop is off because I selected polygon. But if you press Control and click here, sorry, Shift and click here, we'll select only one. Shift and click here, the polygon will select everywhere. Shift and click. Click extrude option, or you can do extrude option here, extrude option, and local normal, and a little bit only. You see, slowly, inside, because I want to give a cut over there. Till here, okay. Now I did one. Then you can do plus one more, plus one more. I do this plus because I need to get some, I'm sorry. I need to get some divisions over here because I will make smooth this. Now we got a shape like this. Material, I do the same black color everywhere. For time being, I'll do one thing. I choose another color just for you to see the result. This one, we need buttons here, okay? For time being, if I do it, you get a little bit more confused. For time being, few element only I'm doing, not detail, because as a beginner, it will be difficult for you. Here, extrude, extrude, extrude. The front area will connect to a cable. Now for this shape, we go to modify. There is one modifier name is called mesh smooth. We give mesh smooth. Most of the objects after modeling, we give mesh smooth. How to do mesh smooth? How many divisions have to go give? When I do more divisions, how it will look? Less division, how it will look? Where we have to give right division. This all I will explain later. Now just give mesh smooth. You get this way result. And this iterations value you can do 2. You see, the borders are getting correct. Okay. If you want to go back, right click and delete it, it will be going back. Now this way you can make the divisions and all over there. As I want to keep a simple cylinder shape, tube, cylinder, no, sorry, torus shape. So scroll 90 degrees. So when you do this, you can do rotation. You see which one is rotating from here. You can do 90, so it will come to straight. Then keep here, up. Select all. We want to do materials. Except this one, do not do the smooth. This one all. I do again, mesh smooth to get iterations too. Continuing one thing. Select all. I want to keep here. Right click and unhide all. This one, go to left of front view. Keep on top of this. Front view, then go to perspective. Keep to here. Rotation, if you need, you can rotate too. So this one 180 degree. I'm seeing here when I'm rotating what's happening. For two cable, use spline option here. Just for this exercise, I'm telling you, I'll be repeating this option again individually. There is a line tool here. Take the line tool, and from here, I'm going to make it. Let's go down, right? So we don't show from where it comes. You can use backspace to do undo till here, and I stop it. Same thing, line from here somewhere. And backspace. This one, why this comes on exactly on this? Because when I draw, I switch on auto grid. So after this one, you can select this, go to modify. Inside, you can see vertex point. You do some changes here and there. Even this one. Select this one also, vertex point, and here, try a little bit up. After this, select these lines one by one. Select one. In rendering, there is an option called enabled in render in viewport. Enabled in render, enabled in viewport. So it will be renderable. Otherwise, the line is not renderable. Then this thickness, you can adjust it. Then this vertex point again, fix here. Again, thickness. It is, remember, this is 0.4. So use this also. This also modify, enable and render viewport. And this was 0.4. Is it? See? Yeah. Select this both also. Material, same color. I don't want to show the detail now. For time being, this is enough for us. Of course, for a monitor, sorry, for CPU, it's very easy. You can make a box like this, right? So I don't show you detail for this all. Smaller material. It's also, again, you can split it. You can switch on the buttons and all. It will go across this. If you want camphor, you try on this one, editable poly. Select maybe this all four side. You see, I don't need the divisions. All 0, 0, 0. Convert to editable poly. Select this all division. Camphor, if you want, you try. Camphor option. How many divisions you need on the board? Width you decide. Okay. Then you add a button or something. For time being, just a sample is enough like this. So this is our final result.